Dragon Master.
He's only the son of Stoic the Vast. His heir to the throne of Berk. And the greatest Dragon Master this world has ever seen.
Night Fury. Speed unknown. Size unknown. The unholy offspring of lightning and death itself. It's all over now.
Or is it?
Don't say congratulations, but you know they watch that shit. I ain't even gon' get mad. I'm young, black and rich. She tryna sell me lies, bitch. I ain't buying shit. If we ain't talking money, then I'ma plead the fifth. I put ice in my mouth, yeah, I'm hydrated. I ain't even gon' get
Cordura, choca mi cintura, estamos en altura, mi amor. Estamos en altura, baby, choca mi temperatura. Choca mi temperatura. Ay, con las otras navegas. Me voy contigo. Con las otras navegas. Me voy contigo. Con las otras navegas.
He's my best bud. I want him to be happy. Besides, it's just until he brings her back.
Never been sitting, I've been lining up shots. I'ma show you how to turn it up a notch. Just you get a swimming pool full of liquor, then you dive in it. Pool full of liquor, then you dive in it. I wave a few bottles, then I
Yeah. Thanks for the save, bud. Again.
nothing I did not like the way you move. I can try, but I can't hide it from you.